Bringing in a new machine with an unfamiliar control can be pretty daunting. So I've decided to create a series of short videos that cover everyday tasks you'd complete in the machine shop here on our Okuma M560 with the OSP-300 control. The OSP-300 control can accept programs in a variety of formats, but today we're going to cover the two most common, or the ones that I use most commonly. The first one is going to be a USB stick, and the second one is going to be from a network drive. And so basically, you have three master control modes on the machine. So you have the automation, or automatic, which is where you run your programs from. You have MDI, manual data input, and then manual. Then you have these other buttons over here, which is like your operation screen, your program selection, and then this is your tool table and parameter screen which has your work offsets. But for now, we're going to go ahead and go into the program screen, and you'll see here that there's a blinking icon. That shows the currently active program. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit directory display. This gives us access to the master drive, the USB ports. This is our network drive connection. And what we want to see the master drive and the network drive at the same time. So we're going to arrow over to MD1 and TC. We'll hit that, and you'll see that there's a program in there, O1001. So we're going to click on JSON. I'm going to hit enter to enter that directory. I'm going to click on O1001 and hit copy. Where do I want to copy it? To the left. And now it's in the JSON directory. So we're going to hit directory display, close this, hit directory display again, go back to our master drive. Now if we want to go in here, we just enter it and we see that it's in there. So let's go up and hit enter. Now let's load file 2001 off of the USB. So we'll just open this up, we'll plug in the USB, and we'll do the exact same thing. We'll hit directory display. We could look at just the USB by hitting USO, but we want to see the USB drive next to the master drive. So we'll arrow over, master drive and US0. You see there's 2001. Now if we copied it, it would copy into the root folder, but we want to copy it into my folder, so I'll hit JSON, enter. We'll go back here and we'll hit copy, left, and now it's there. It's that simple. That's how easy it is to load programs onto the OSP control. Since we're already here, I may as well show you guys how to select that program. So directory display, close. If we go into our operation screen, which is where we work from, and we enable auto mode, you see that we're able to select this right here, program select. You can go in, it generally defaults to the root directory, but you can go into your folder, JSON, and we can select either one of those programs. Just okay, it loads the program. Now all we have to do is hit cycle start, and we're off to the races. Well, as you guys can see, it's pretty simple to load programs into the OSP control. I was using the USB stick quite a bit, but now that we've got the network drive connected, I'll be using that more and more. There are other methods of loading programs onto the machine, but I definitely think that the USB stick and or the network drive are probably the most common, if not the most common methods of loading programs. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video just as much as I enjoyed making it, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.